Something doesn't look quite right. I know what it is. There we go, much better. I was at a new construction walkthrough a few weeks ago in White House, Tennessee. And as I walked around the house, I started turning these splash blocks thinking they were positioned wrong. The builder kindly corrected me saying, "No ma'am, that is not how splash blocks are positioned." I laughed, realizing I have been placing these blocks wrong for years. So splash blocks, they're designed to direct water away from your foundation from your downspouts. However, it's important to slow the water down as it flows. The way I had them positioned, the blocks would cause the water to rush away too quickly, potentially leading to erosion. A properly placed splash block helps manage water flow, preventing both foundation damage and erosion damage. Now, which way is the right way? This is the side that will go towards the foundation. This side goes away, just like this. Ta-da! But if you don't want to deal with splash blocks, how about having your downspouts buried, like this? Hood Exterior Services is located right here in Bellevue, Tennessee. They buried our downspouts. They can do the same for you. Reach out to Austin and his team today.